Hello, Sunny. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Very good. Okay, so how are you today, Sunny?
good.
Wow, that's nice. Oh, I have some good news for you. Do you want to know what is it? Hello, Sunny. Hello, Sunny. Hello.
I cannot hear you.
Oh, probably your internet connection or your headset, just like yesterday. Try to unplug it, or check the button of your headset. It's probably down.
Okay.
Can you hear me well now?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so anyway, for tonight, we are going to start with a new material. That is my good
Uh,
news. Mm-hmm.
I have something to say with you. Can you turn your
What is it?
camera?
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to turn it on. Here am I. I apologize for that one. Wow, you're wearing purple and I'm wearing pink. Very good
Ah,
for today. Okay. So anyway, Sunny, for tonight, we are going to learn with pliers. So that's gonna be a new material. But of course, this is
flyer?
also
I know flyer.
yeah. Oh, you know it?
Yes.
Have you ever learned flyers before?
I I usually I
Oh, you
usually learn from flyer.
Oh wow, that's great. So that means you're familiar with it, right?
Yes.
Oh, all right. So actually, this is very similar to what do we call that? Movers speaking. However, this is a little bit
Who was
advanced
speaking?
than movers. Yeah,
My
because
my
this is also
cousins also learn the mover speaking test.
all right. Yeah, just like you. Last time you learned mover speaking practice test. Okay, so for this time, we are going to learn with pliers. Okay, so
Flyer.
you are already done with movers. Okay, so this is speaking one, Sunny. Okay, so since this is a practice test for speaking skill, so whenever that I ask you questions, I encourage you to answer in a complete sentence, and if you can actually talk as much as possible, I would highly appreciate it, Sunny, so that you will become more fluent in English. Okay, are you ready to start, Sunny?
Yes, yes, yes.
Very good. So part one is just all about questions. Yes, so these are basic questions. It's just a warm-up questions. Okay, first question, Sunny. When is your birthday?
My birthday is in the 2nd of June.
2nd of June. Very good. All right. So what did you do on your birthday?
On my birthday, I buy a cake and also play games too.
Very good. Okay. So, have you ever seen a real rocket, Sunny?
Yes, on my birthday, I was going to a rocket.
Oh, you went to see a rocket. Was it a real rocket or was it just,
Yes, it's a real rocket.
oh, where did you go to see the real rocket, Sunny?
I forgot it. It's very long time.
Oh, all right. Yeah, so what is a rocket?
Rocket likes uh, it have a pink color because in my birthday my mother has has bought me a pink real rocket. Also, it's a little high when I was going out of the earth. It's so floating because when out of the earth, it don't have it have gravity, and I was floating up and down in the rocket.
All right. Okay, so thank you for sharing that one, Sunny. Okay, rocket is actually something that astronauts use whenever they want to go to the universe or out of our planet. Yeah, it's like going to the galaxy. Do you know what a galaxy is?
Oh, I know galaxy.
Very good. So yes, we can see a rocket in the Space Center, like that. So a space center is actually a place where all the spaceship, the rockets are there and they are parked. And that's also where the spaceships fly. It's like an airport, but we call it a space center. Okay. So we actually have one. Oh, I know that there's one in Florida, USA. Oh, that's not a space center. That was a space station. Yeah, so there's
It's the
one in Florida,
station.
USA. Yeah, it's like a place where the astronauts go first, okay, so that
What?
they can ride inside the spaceship to go to the
What?
universe, which is outside our planet. Let's say that
What?
you want to go to the other planet. You want to, oh, do you know what an astronaut is, Sunny?
Astronaut means a people who works in a rocket. I will see some of the the astronauts go into the space and they show out of the earth. It's just like airplane, but airplanes like flying, just like a rocket. But rockets flew out of the earth or the planet we live. But the plane is just carrying the people to go to a vacation, not for going out of the space and see stars.
Yes, that's right. So that's what an
Galaxy,
astronaut
galaxy,
do. So it is a person who would actually go out
gal-
of our planet to go to the galaxy or to go to the universe, Sunny. Okay, they will study the moon, the stars, or
galaxy.
even the sun, like that. Do you want to be
Oh,
an astronaut, Sunny?
no, 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 no.
Do
Not
you know the
me.
person who first went to the what's that? Do you know do you know the first ever astronaut in the world?
What? No, no. Hmm.
Okay, he is actually a Russian guy. He's from Russia. He's called as
Russia.
Yuri
He,
Gagarin. Yeah,
he,
you.
he,
Mm-hmm.
he is a man and
Yes, he is a
he from
man.
Russia. His capital is Russian and
Yeah, so Yuri Gagarin is actually the first ever person who visited the space. Yes.
who
And
visit the
what
space?
about the first
Oh,
ever person who walked into the moon? Do you know him?
Him or she?
Him. It was a boy. It was a
It,
man. So it was
it was
actually
a
Neil
man, not a
Armstrong.
young boy. Huh?
Yeah. So Neil Armstrong is the first
Is there
ever person
any
who
alien
walked into the
eat
moon. What about you, Sunny? Do you
him?
have any dreams to walk into the moon?
is is the boy, the young boy, the alien eat the young boy and they eat his body and skeleton.
Oh, I don't know about that one. Yeah. Okay,
Let's
so
read
anyway, all right, so that is part one of this flyer speaking test. Now let's move on with part two. So it's very easy. You just have to look at the two pictures and find the differences. You can do it, Sunny.
and ketchup, ketchup. Uh, 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 mm, mm, ketchup. Uh, 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 let's show. Okay. Mm. In picture one, the girl blonde hair is straight, but in picture two, her girl hair, the blonde hair is curly. In picture one, the car is red, but in picture two, the car is yellow. In picture one, grand, the the man is short, but in picture two, the man is tall. In picture one, not no. You erase mm, this one, this one. Er, eh, maybe erase this one, please.
Why?
Erase please. Okay. In picture one, the boy is waving the a toy rocket to the astronaut. But in picture two, the boy is waving the flag to the astronaut. In picture one, the shot of the ghost is red, but in picture two, the ghost shot is green. In picture one, in picture one, the man is wearing a stripes shirt, but in picture two, they are wearing white shirts. In picture one, mm, hmm, hmm, hmm.
Anything else, Sunny? There are actually
Yes.
one,
Mm,
two,
three.
three, four.
Hmm.
There are four more differences.
Four more. And uh, this one. Right. This. Hmm. Uh, in picture one, there are three astronauts, but in picture two, there are four astronauts. In
Nice.
picture one, the rabbit is is the rabbit is the rabbit. Um, wait a minute.
Where are the rabbits in picture one?
Uh, there are two rabbits after the rock. But
Mm-hmm.
in picture two, the rabbit is on the rock.
All right. Anything else?
In picture one, in picture one, in picture one, a man is mm, the photographer is taking a picture of the astronaut going to space. He is turning his body to
What's the photographer doing in picture one, Sunny?
he is taking pictures.
Mm-hmm. What about in the second picture?
He is taking a picture of the rabbit.
All right. So thank you for that one, Sunny. So I think there's another one difference. What is it?
What different? Let's talk.
Look at look at the picture carefully. There's another one difference. Do you see it?
Ah, in picture one, the bag is nuts. No, 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 no. In picture one, the bag is uh, hmm,
All right. So here it is, Sunny. This is the last difference. Oh no, not that one. This is the last
not
difference. So what will you say?
in picture one. A coconut tree is in front of the small hill. Well, picture two, the coconut is on a small hill.
Yes, that's right. So very good because you've found them all. So see, it's not only five differences, but there are so many differences. So very good, Sunny. So for this one, you got a perfect score of 10 out of 10. However, Sunny, oh, great job for that one. Nice. However, I forgot. Okay. However, there while you were actually comparing picture one and two and finding their differences, I was just listening to you to your answer, and there are some sentences that needs revision when it comes to grammar, Sunny. Because of course, it's better to use proper usage of grammar. Okay, so this one, you said that in picture one, the car is red, but in picture two, it is blue. So yes,
What?
it's
Not
picture
in
two, it's
blue. You
yellow.
hear me? I said in picture one, the car is blue, but in picture two, the car is yellow.
All right, so that is considered correct. Very good, Sunny. Sorry, maybe yeah, probably I just misheard it. Okay, and also this one, you said that okay, the two the what's that? The girl's t-shirts is red. In picture one, the girl's t-shirt is red. All right. So it's better to say in picture one, they are wearing a red t-shirt like that. But in picture two, they're wearing a green t-shirt. Okay. Then in here, you said that the rabbits. Oh, can you say it again? Where are the rabbits?
The rabbit is uh will will besides
Oh,
the rock.
yes. So you said the rabbit is beside the rock. Okay, which is actually correct. However, there are three rabbits in here. So we can say the rabbits are beside the rocks. Same thing with this one. The rabbits are on the rock. Okay. Then this one, you said that the photographer is taking a picture, which is correct. So same thing actually in picture one and two, the photographer is still taking a picture, but okay, look at this picture one. The photographer is specifically taking a picture of the astronauts. But in picture two, he is taking a picture of the rabbits. And lastly, Sunny, you said in here that they're wearing, oh, the man, like that. The man is wearing
No,
stripes.
they are wearing strips shirts, not
Yes, that's right.
a
Very good.
man.
All right. So thank you so much for that one, Sunny. Okay, so of course, it's just a reminder to be mindful of using is, are, then singular and plural noun. So the noun should always agree with the verb. Okay, now this time, I want you to look at William and Emma. Of course, this is William because William is the name of the man, and this is also Emma. So they are both friends, Sunny. I want you to look at them. Where are they?
They are at the pool.
That's right. So they both go to their swimming lessons. Do you have swimming lessons, Sunny?
Yeah. Today is
Wow.
my swimming lesson
Oh, when did you swim today?
at the morning at
In the
at
morning.
school.
Oh, at school. That's really great because you have a swimming lesson at school. All right. So here, for William and Emma, I don't know anything about William's swimming lesson, but you are actually the one who does. So I'm going to ask you some questions about William's swimming lesson. Are you ready, Sunny?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, as you can see in here, this is what we call a table for William's swimming lessons. Okay, by just looking at the table, we already know some information about his
Oh,
swimming
I
class.
can make a a, a swimming lesson that uh mm, I think
Do you mean similar to this one?
mm, mm.
Okay, so hold on. I will let you make with that one later. But first, I'm going to ask you some questions about William's swimming
Oh,
lessons.
uh,
Okay,
enjoy
what is the
Philippines are there any storms?
Yes, there was a storm like for the yesterday and the day before yesterday. So it started last Monday. Oh, actually not last Monday. It was Saturday until yesterday. But thankfully today there isn't a storm anymore and it
Mhm.
haven't even rained. How about there in your country? Is there a
Oh
storm?
no, 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 oh no, oh no. What can I do? What can I do? On Thursday, it has a storm in my country, and all these bros out. And I
Yes,
have to
that's
go
right. That's
school, but
why.
but it's stormy. I cannot go.
Actually, you don't have, listen, Sunny, you don't have to go to school if the weather is bad. Because
I
if
want
there
to go
is
to
an upcoming,
school.
no, you don't have to go to, because it's very dangerous to go to school if there is an upcoming storm. Even here in the Philippines,
Yes, I
most of
know,
the
but I want
classes,
to study.
oh, you just study at home for your own
No,
safety.
I don't want to study at home. It's
If you
boring. No friends play with me, and I always do homeworks without any playing. Play.
just play with your sister instead, because you know what, Sunny, whenever
It's
that
so
there is a
boring.
natural calamity,
She always play with herself. She will not play
yes.
with me.
Oh, then just play on your own instead. Yeah.
No,
Do you
I
know what
don't
a
want to play
natural
with my
calamity
own.
is,
It's
Sunny?
so boring.
Yes. Anyway, Sunny, do you know what a natural calamity is?
No,
A natural, not some of the examples of natural calamities are flood, storm, what else? Tsunami, earthquake. Okay, it just happened naturally. We cannot even control and predict when will it happen like that. Okay, so those are natural calamities. Whenever that there are natural calamities, and most especially if our area is affected, then that's automatically that all classes are suspended. That means students don't have to go to school because it's very dangerous. So if there is an upcoming storm in your place tomorrow, even though that the teachers haven't announced yet, so it's better to stay at home.
no, I
Because you
don't want
know
to
what?
stay at home. I want to study and study with math, English. I love English so much, and also Vietnamese. But I don't want to at home to do homeworks at online with my teacher, with my students.
Oh,
I
I
love
see. I
this.
understand that. I understand that one, Sunny. But of course, your safety is the government's priority, like that. So whenever that the teachers would say, "Oh, you don't have to go to class today because of
No,
the
I don't want.
storm," then you don't have to go to.
But I want to go to school, not going at home. Home is boring, and boring means it's very boring. No one plays with me and friends and family. Uh, she, she or he at home, not me at home.
Yes, I understand that one, Sunny. But of course, you still have to follow through if what your teachers say, no matter how bored you are, because that is also for your own safety. Yeah, is it raining in your place right now?
Yes, it's windy and rainy.
Yeah, so probably later there will be a storm. So you just have to be careful. Actually, the storm already passed by in our area. Yeah, it just happened 2 days ago, or even yesterday. There was a little rain, and you know what? There was even flood. Do you know what flood is, Sunny?
Lord, I don't know. Ano?
Flood is when the water of the rain stuck on a specific area. Then the cars are floating, people are
What?
drowning, houses are
What?
even drowning. So that's very dangerous.
No, no,
That's
no, 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 no.
why if there's an upcoming storm, then
This
of
my
course just
my
stay at
house.
home. Let me
This
show
my
you a real
house.
picture of what flood looks like,
And
Sunny, so that you will actually know how dangerous it is, and it's better
hmm,
to stay at home. But if your home is
hmm.
affected, then you need to evacuate.
But
Yeah,
why
no
I
need to
have
stay
to
at
go
home
at
if
home?
ever.
Stay at home. What can I do at home? It's so boring.
Yes, it is very boring, but look at this one. This is actually what happened here in some areas in the Philippines. Can you see that
What?
one? There's
What?
a very what's that huge amount of water that has been stuck in a certain area. And look
Oh,
what
I
happened to
know.
all those cars. It's all, oh,
What?
sorry. It's all floating or covered by
What
what's
is
that water?
floating? It's just in my house. It's like it's this my house. It's very tall, and when I the water is floating, but it's it's just this my house, but the water is just up here. So don't be very worried. But
Yeah.
it's a thunder and lightning
Oh,
too.
if
I
that
don't want to
happens to
study
you, then you
again.
have to evacuate, go to a safe area. But anyways, honey, it's already time. So I hope that you'll be I want you to be safe, okay? Then listen to what other people would say, especially
Em
if
nữa dùng cái
you
nắp
are
mà bây giờ
affected
không
with
đồ để
the
lại.
storm. So thank you so much for tonight, Sunny. Hope that you learned something and see you next week. Bye, Sunny.